Hi everybody. This is just the cafe here. A man flip bows. I feel myself and I feel like I'm a king. People, yeah. This is my strategy. That we have to perfect. Before we do this, let me tell you something. Simple. There are actually some people who are haters, who are whatever you are, people. I'm here to help everybody. You can be my hater, you can be my follower, everybody. I'm here to help everyone. Even though you are my haters, I don't care, I don't give a fuck. I'm here to help everybody, and I know what I'm doing is something that has to do with your life. It's something that will change your trading career in terms of boom and crash, because this is I feel I'm blessed with this thing. People, let me feel these different people. I'm currently in Namibia. I'm a Namibian. So within my country, I want somebody to find or just get someone in Namibia. Get me someone who can teach me this thing. Get me someone. Namibia. I'm talking about Namibia, my own country, right? Namibia is not a room. Namibia is not a house. Namibia is not a town. Namibia is not even a city, but Namibia it's a country. Namibia is a country. So get me somebody who can teach me this thing. Of course none, but I'm able to teach everybody this thing. Who is here in Namibia? I think it's only D Cafe. So I'm talking now about boom and crash. I'm not talking about any other things. I'm talking about boom and crash, right? So there's no one that can teach me these things. So people, I'm here to teach you. So what I know and what I'm giving, get to know that with whatever strategy I'm giving, you have never seen it. I don't give things that I usually see or things that is already on social media. I give something different, something which I invented myself, which I know, and I give things that are really working. So this strategy is actually nothing. I didn't change anything. There's nothing new. I just perfect something and make it simple for people that have got really small accounts. So you know why I call myself a king? You give me a $5 account and give somebody. I'm not here to compete with people. I'm not here to praise myself, but I'm just talking what I know and what I feel I can do. So if you give me a $5 account, I can take it to 500 within 5 days. That is something that I can do. I cannot say something that I cannot do. And I don't give people fake stuffs. I give people what I know, and I try. I'm actually trying my best. So let me quickly show you the setup and how everything works. I'm here to perfect this strategy to make it very simple for everybody. Very simple for everybody. For some people that don't actually have the setup of this strategy, so this is how it is, just like it is. You can watch my previous video. Okay. I can show you the settings on the main chart. You just insert that Hmoku just like it is here. Let me do it a little bit faster because I have already given out these setups. It's just the same, just like it is. And this is something very simple. You're going to feel me, my people. I don't give fake stuff. Whatever I'm giving you is going to work for you, and you go feel me, people. This is just the cafe speaking. A money flip bounce. I don't care. I'm making money with this thing. So you can give me just a $5 or a $10 or a $20. I'm able to make a living from that. So yeah, this is just the cafe here. I feel myself, people. So, and I'm here for everybody. You can be my hater. If you find my video without any setup, contact me, people. I will give you. I'm not a stingy person. If I got something, I share with people. I don't eat alone. Not a stingy person. I'm not a selfish person. I'm just that person, you feel me? So with anybody that is selling a strategy, you must also know, don't hate people that are doing their stuff. People Don't be that person. If anybody is selling, it's because of that power, that energy that person is using. As long as that person, you must just know that is this person really giving something profitable. It's not wrong to sell the stuffs, but you must know the right people. So yeah, the strategy is like that. Let me not forget, on the main chart you insert that Ichimoku, right? And then you click on done. On the indicator window 1, you insert just that accelerator oscillator 2 pixel, or you can give pixels of your choice, just like it is here, people. Click on done. You do it a little bit faster, and then you insert again on this that first window the Ichimoku, which is on the main chart. Then you are done, the same one, okay. And then you just set your accumulation distribution there to 1. Then you are done. Everything is done. Now people, let me give you something simple. This is something simple. This is a very small account of mine. It's a very small account, so yeah, it's just 490 something. It's very small, and this account was only $2 something. I think it was $3, and then I created that account. You can't believe that. Let me show you how everything works with this account. We are not here to catch spikes, because in most cases a lot of people are facing challenges. They can't really catch spikes, and they fail to do that, waiting on spikes, and then they close off their trade in negatives. Let me show you something that is very simple, something simple to grow very small accounts. Let me just delete off all this nonsense. I want to show you my people. So I want everybody to make money. So yeah, this is how everything goes. I just want you to listen carefully and to watch carefully how everything goes. This strategy, this part is actually not for spikes. We are just trading with a trend, with the trend. We are just trading these candles. We are not here to catch spikes. You got it? So here is a condition. Here is a condition. What is this condition? So let me just do it correctly. So alright, this is a condition, right? Let me do it this way. This strategy is number 1. This strategy is number 1. It will not make people to fail. This strategy is very awesome. This strategy is very wonderful. So let me just take off this nonsense. This is the first condition, people, and it's very simple. It doesn't have too many whatever, too many confusing things or whatever you call it. It's very simple. So this is the condition, people. Whenever you see how do I put this? Should I write this? Okay, whenever you see the accelerator oscillator, how do I do this? Let me not say this. Let me try to make it very simple, because I'm trying to confuse you. Okay, this is the condition of selling. Let me just put my horizontal line quickly. To teach is not something simple. You might take it simple. Listen carefully for you to get this. So this is the chart, people. The chart is like this. So the red line is my accumulation distribution. The blue one is my Ichimoku. We are on the window 1. We are not on the main chart. So this horizontal line is my accelerator oscillator, a 0 level line. This one is a 0 level line. This one is my accelerator oscillator, and this one is my Ichimoku. This one is my accumulation distribution. So first condition for selling, I'm selling, I'm not catching spikes. I want this accelerator oscillator to go above all my lines. What do I mean by this? Let me show you. There is the accelerator oscillator. Boom. There's zero level, you cannot see it. It's above all my lines. You see, the zero line is above all my lines. The zero level of accelerator oscillator is above. The Ichimoku line is above the accumulation distribution, and you can see those ticks are pointing down. That is the first condition for whenever you see such a setup, even though you are being caught by any spike, you can place another trade, you will recover and you will make some profit. What do I mean by that? Let us watch. Okay, stay for instance, we take our trade right there. Me put 2 lines. Okay, let me say 2 trades. You put a sell there. You can sell whenever you see this setup. You can sell. Let us see any spike that is going to catch us. We are able to recover. I've done this building my small account. You see, we are just selling, no spike. Okay, whenever they are about to be pointed, don't wait for this line to be point. Whenever they are about to be pointed, then you are out of the market. You should get out of the market. You feel me? So this was the first condition. You see, the zero level of accelerator is above all the line. Then you take a sell. All those candles, you can be out. You can take 20 candles. You can take 15. Whenever you see that, then you're out. Then you wait for another setup. Let us go. After these 2 lines are pointed, then a spike comes. By that time, you could have been out already. Let us wait for another setup. So in a day, you get so many setup. Instead of waiting on spikes while there is another setup, you just everything that level 0 of accelerator oscillator, it's above my lines. Then I go in. I could have taken another sell here. You see, you get it, my people. This is another sell. If a spike catches me, it will be able to recover. You see, I sell. Just a failing spike is a little one. I know it will just go down. It will still go down. There is the market going down, people. You can see this, and I have been doing this. I'm a king, man. You see, from there, then you TP all those candles. Watch all those candles. Then you TP. After you TP, what happens after you TP? Spikes are coming. You see, they got you out of the market. That time you are out again. That is the condition. Whenever you see that setup, you just take a sell. There is a sell. Tell me what spikes are killing me. So that spike, I can again take a sell. The market is just going down. It looks crazy. This is just decay. Yeah, you see. And then you TP. You look for the setup again. That same setup. Again, there is a setup. There is the same signal. Easy. If a spike catches me, I'll be able to recover. Let me just look at it. This is a spike escaper strategy. A spike escaper. You feel me? So if you could have sold it, tell me no spike, you TP. After TP, what happens? A spike comes. So you are already out of the market. Let us wait for another one. Another signal. This is a setup. It's a signal. I just want a single spike to catch me fully. But the spikes, it doesn't want to catch me. Yeah, there. I'm being caught by a spike. Finally, I'm being caught by a spike. But in most cases, people, you can see that the strategy is working very well. If you see such a setup, you just go in the market before those lines are about to be pointed. Then you are already out of the market. Sometimes, let me say that a spike catches me until there. You see, you are able to recover some. You are able to recover. When you recover, you are out of the market. You already recovered. So it doesn't lose. If you lose, you will only lose cents, not even $1. So as long as you use proper money management. So yeah, risk management. And again, it's just like that. You go on and on. You sell. On and on, you sell. you sell. It's very easy. You can give this to a small boy, as long as a kid, a small boy, you can do this. This is very easy. What is difficult? There's nothing to analyze. There's nothing. You just look at this simple setup and then you make your money. Is it really difficult? You are not going to ask me things like when can I use time frame or whatever. This is just 1 minute time frame. You cannot use on higher time frame. I don't want you to confuse yourself on just 1 minute time frame. You don't have a lot of work to do. It's just something simple. Okay, let us go for crash. At crash, where's crash? Yeah, it's just the same thing. There's nothing. This is just the vice versa of the other one. Vice versa. And you zoom out completely, your chart shouldn't be this small. You cannot see anything. You can see that. Make it this completely big, like this. You shouldn't go ask me about the zoom out and zoom in. Watch very well and see. This is very easy. That is a setup. Here your level 0 of accelerator oscillators should be below and those lines should be up. It's just the vice versa of another one. Here you could have taken a buy. Film, that is a buy. You see that? It's a buy. It's a buy. And when my line's about to be pointed, I'm out of the market. All those candles, you can see, you could have made some. When, just see, when I'm out, spike came. I'm already out of the market. So let us wait for another signal. That is another one again. Could have ended here. Look at the setup. Yeah, I could have ended here. I take a buy again. Just look. Whew. Is it not a buy? It's a buy, people. Making money. I could have been out of the market already. I don't have to be greedy. So, the strategy will make you a lot of money, and you will feel me, and you will know that people are there that are really helpful. People are there. We are here. I'm not charging anything. I'm just using my energy to teach you these things. So here, with this strategy, after watching this, I don't really think you will have some questions, because this is just something simple. This is something simple. Where have you seen such a strategy? Tell me. Nobody. And I'm here for everybody. You can be a trader already. You will be using this. You can be my hater. You will keep on watching my videos. And my videos are too helpful for everyone. You can be a millionaire out there. You can be a person that is more better than me. But I know I'm blessed with this. And I don't use people's strategy. I don't teach what people has already taught. So I'm teaching things that are new, that some people with this strategy, you can build your small account. You are not waiting for, you don't even go in negatives. So all you see every time is just blue. You take a buy there, you take your buy. You see all those candles. Be out of the market. Don't wait for the market to be pointed like this. So sometimes you don't, when trading using my strategy, you don't see red. All you see is just blue. Who will give you this? Tell me who will give you this. And we are still, this is just the cafe, we are still going to perfect spike. I have seen that a lot of you are really struggling catching spikes, but I will make sure that we are going to perfect that. I will make sure, and I don't make empty promises. So this strategy is quite cool for growing small account. People with this strategy will take your $100 account to $500 within a week. Use proper risk management. Don't increase your lot size every time seeing that, oh, the strategy is doing well, it's 100%. So sometimes you might be knocked by spikes. Just be careful. But I can tell you, like, seriously, everybody is going to make money. So brokers will hate me for doing this, because it's a lot of people that are going to make money. So the strategy is just like that, people. You can see it yourself. You can see just that setup. Then you take a buy. Oh, here a spike. You see that's what I'm talking. The setup is the same, so it's the same. So that spike catches you. Oh, the spike catches me. So I could have ended another buy here. Let us see if we will be able to recover. Yeah, I recover everything. You see that spike catches me, and I know while my conditions were like this, could have ended another buy. So here I could have TP, and then when I TP everything, I got out with the just profit. This strategy is working 100%, people. It's working very well. So another setup there, that is a buy. You see, you feel me? See which spike will catch me. I'm out of the market by that time. If I wasn't out of the market, for instance, let us check if we will be able to recover. I could have recovered there. You can see that the market will just go up. See, I recover and it's about to be pointed. I'm out of the market already. Again, you do this over and over. In a day, you will find many signals. You are going to make money. We are not here to catch spikes. Say for instance, you take a buy again. You take a buy. You take a buy. You make a lot of money, my people. When those lines are pointed, you are out. You shouldn't go sell when they are pointed, hoping that the spike will come. Because those spikes don't really come immediately. When the market is pointed like this, accelerator, oscillator, when they are pointed, those ones are for people that have got very big accounts. And for patient people that are able to wait. So to wait for that spike, because when those two lines are pointed, the market will continuously go against you. Sometimes you will find that the market is on a strong uptrend and you will not be able to catch those spikes. So if you don't know this strategy very well, to trade spikes it will be a little bit difficult for you, but I will make everything very easy for you. So people, I hope everything is clear. Why don't you know, if you want to trade and make money on your small account, to grow your $5 account, just imagine this account is a very, I started, people, give me a $5 account, I can take it to this money. You see, it's just 400 and almost 500, but it was only $5. I don't lie, people, I don't lie. I grew that account. So this strategy is very awesome. Let me do it live. Let me see if I see a setup, a signal. I will wait for this accelerator, oscillator to jump up and then put me like give me that signal. I've already shown you what signals looks like. It's very simple, and per day you will get a lot of them. So this I have missed this, and here no signal. So I will be patient to wait for any signal. That is the time you enter the market, because currently the market, there are two. If you want to trade spikes, stay for instance now, it's a signal of a spike, but if I enter, the spike will not come immediately. The market will go continuously against me, and I might not catch that spike. So catching spikes, you have to make confirmation with other time frames. It's a little bit difficult, those kind of things. So it's not something easy. So but with that one, trading only the candles is something very simple, and I hope everything is simple. Whoever watch this video is going to make money. So people, get to like me. I'm giving you different things. I'm giving you real things. So get to test out my things that I'm giving you, and come back to me, tell me it's real. Subscribe to my channel, like my video. This is your D Cafe here. It's here for everybody. You can be my hater, you can be my whatever. So if you ask me, I'm here to help everyone. I'm not a stingy person. Yeah, I want everybody to make money. So be blessed, man. This is just D Cafe. currently signing out.